Hindi naman talaga super daling mag-show up, lalo na if you're sick, you're having an episode, mahirap ang buhay, everything is crumbling. It's not really the easiest thing to think about when you wake up. Kaya kudos sa mga taong gugustuhin pumasok sa work, gugustuhin pumasok sa school, gugustuhin alagaan yung sarili nila despite of everything. Kasi not everybody can do that.
Yeah.
But you have to. Kasi if you don't, you'll just stop.
Yeah.
And everything will just follow. And you don't want to break that cycle na binild mo na for yourself. Kasi kapag stinop mo yon, you're just gonna have a harder time to regain yourself again. Kaya
You need momentum.
as much as possible, kahit mahirap, take it slow. Breathe a bit and adjust. Keep a good pacing para hindi ka ma-overwhelm sa feelings.